What's up everyone, J-Man Moto 24 here, come back at you with my second official motovlog. Woo! Anyway, today it's nothing special, just gonna be riding around the area of like near where I live and whatnot. In case you guys are wondering where this is Dunstable. It's not exactly the most best place in the world. It's actually a dump. But you know, you guys will you'll see that. Yeah, I can make that. Run, Forrest, run. Hell yeah. Asda's over there, old Sugarloaf there. And an interesting fun fact in a minute about me actually. Well, it's not really that interesting, but I guess it is, seems, you know, guys want to get to know me and whatnot. So yeah, in a minute, and we are good to go. Ah, here we go. You got, well, obviously you're going to see on the camera, that building there, saying CC, that's a nightclub. I used to go there quite a bit when I was younger. That makes me sound old when I say when I was younger. But it's true though, when I was younger I used to go there. Still go there every now and then. Just very rarely because I'm getting fucking old anyway. And this is Dunstable College. Which is complete pigsty. So yeah. And here is Dunstable Retail Park. All your college students going there for like fast food and whatnot. Just down there you got like KFC and Pizza Hut and something else. I rarely go down there just because I don't know. Can't be bothered. I know there's a McDonald's down there. So I used to go there back when I used to go nightclubbing quite a bit. Back when I was 18. Ah, the days of being a teenager. Ah, don't miss my teens though. Because, you know, I don't know, it's just teenage years, you know, you're stuck in college. Well, I didn't mind college, I like college. It's just high school I hated. High school is what I hated. College I actually somewhat liked. But then when I was 18 I had to go out and get my first ever job. So yeah. Oh, I mean, I don't know, it's different for different people I guess. Like, if you like being a teenager, if you don't like being a teenager. I personally like being older than I like, because you know you have like, I guess, no restrictions. There's like no restrictions on what you can do. Like I can see 18 films, I can go clubbing, I can go to casinos. Hell, go to a strip club if I want. As bad as that sounds, go to a strip club. Oh no. Nah, being a teenager is actually pretty good because you're young and whatnot, but you know. Young, dumb and full of cum, that's what I say. yeah, before some of you ask, I do not have a working speedometer, okay? My cable is, well, it did work a few days ago, but I just decided it didn't want to work anymore, so, yeah, I gotta get that replaced. Wow, well, it's just a speedometer cable. I pretty much know how fast I'm going. Pretty much feeling the bike. But we go, hey, ho, let's go. And just to get this off of my mind, because a guy I'm friends with on Xbox asked me to give him a shout out. So, Sorry Monster, shout out to him. So yeah, shout out to that guy. He has a YouTube channel. Don't really ask me what he does though. What's this woman doing? Is she going there or is she going there? Oh, yeah, thanks for that. Yeah, my bike is super loud. That's what I love about it. Dirt bike, meant to be loud. Oh. I will be honest today, guys, like, today's video was actually supposed to be me, like, just green laning, but because it decided it was going to rain last night, you know, that counts that out, seeing as I'm riding with road tyres, not dirt tyres. Even with dirt tyres on wet grass, see, that's still sketchy. That's real sketchy. But yeah, other than that, well, yeah, pretty much. That was like a little ride of Dunstable, I guess. And a few little fun facts about me. Well, a fun fact about me. So yeah. See you guys. Well, if you guys like this video, be sure to like and comment. And as always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!